Unlocking Imagination. Stories to Dream by Explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic. Stories to Dream by. This phrase evokes a world of imagination and dreams, but what does it truly mean? Join us as we explore this beautiful concept, perfect for all of you passionate about the English language and storytelling. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the magic hidden within these words. The phrase, stories to dream by, conjures up images of tales that are so enchanting and captivating that they stay with us, lingering in our minds long after we've read or heard them. These are stories that inspire dreams, fuel our imagination, and often carry a sense of wonder and magic. They might be tales that are especially soothing or comforting, making them perfect companions for relaxation and bedtime. In essence, these stories are ones that transport us to another world, allowing us to dream with our eyes open. Storytelling is a powerful tool in language learning. It's not just about vocabulary and grammar. It's about immersing yourself in the language through narrative. Stories to Dream by can be particularly effective for English language learners because they engage the imagination and emotions, making the language learning process more enjoyable and memorable. Through these stories, learners can encounter new words and expressions in context, enhancing their understanding and retention. 1. Choose stories that resonate with you. Find stories that spark your interest or carry emotional significance. The more connected you feel to the story, the more likely it is to impact your learning experience. 2. Listen and read along. If possible, listen to the stories being read aloud while following along with the text. This can improve your listening skills and pronunciation. 3. Visualize the story. Engage your imagination by visualizing the scenes and characters. This enhances memory and makes the language more relatable. 4. Discuss the stories. Share your thoughts and interpretations with others. Discussing stories can improve your speaking skills and deepen your understanding of the language and its nuances. While specific examples will depend on personal preference, classic fairy tales, short stories with a strong narrative voice, or tales from different cultures with universal themes are often excellent choices. Look for stories by renowned authors like Hans Christian Andersen, Oscar Wilde, or modern storytellers who specialize in creating vivid, dreamlike narratives. We hope this exploration of stories to dream by has inspired you to incorporate storytelling into your English learning journey. Remember, these stories are not just about language acquisition, they're about enriching your life with the beauty of imagination and dreams. Happy dreaming and happy learning! Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights and tips on your language learning adventure.